It's an honor to stand here in front of these inspiring individuals and teams. Performance is more than just results. It's a commitment, passion, and effort that leads to success. We take this moment to recognize and celebrate the outstanding performance of individuals and teams who have gone above and beyond. You are the heart and soul of everything we do in the program. To all Bukidnon staff, from social welfare assistants, municipal moving bookkeepers, city municipal links, technical assistance officer, and of course, our provincial operations staff, welcome to our program implementation review, Kung Awarding Ceremony 2024.
Sabi nga nila, walang forever. Pero dito sa 4Ps, may forever. And that is your lifetime love and commitment. All of you are very beautiful today. Minsan lang naman maging ganito. So, i-enjoy na lang natin.
So kung mag-inusara daw ta, one drop lang ta. But together, we are an ocean.